Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about the online courses we offer. Last week I broke one of my golden rules of social media use and actually shared a picture of my daughter in a moment of fatherly pride after she appeared on a website called Mixed Race Faces, which was set up to basically increase visibility of and increase awareness of the huge number of people with kind of mixed race, mixed heritage backgrounds. When I posted the picture of her, I read through all the comments and thank you very much to those of you that made lovely comments. And one comment said, "Oh, she looks just like you. She's the ditto of you." Now, obviously, in spoken English, you can say ditto to mean me too, oh, the same. You know, I think I'll have the chicken, please. Ditto, meaning I'll also have the chicken, please. However, it doesn't work in this context. And here, if you want to say that one person looks exactly like another person, you have to say, "Oh, she's the spitting image of you." Now, personally, in my daughter's case, I can't actually see it myself. I think luckily for her, she takes after her mum a lot more than she takes after me. But you do often hear that one person is the spitting image of their mother, their father, their grandfather. And you also sometimes hear it in news stories or celebrity gossip and so on. So, you know, one of the rumours about Prince Harry was that he was not actually Prince Charles, now King Charles's son, because he's the spitting image of a man called James Hewitt, a former British military officer who had an affair with Princess Diana just before Prince Harry was born. Obviously, I can't possibly comment on the veracity of these rumours. You also sometimes see it when people are talking about actors. So, you know, Meryl Streep, who played the role of Margaret Thatcher in a film called The Iron Lady. She was the absolute spitting image of Thatcher to an uncanny degree. Even though you knew you were watching Meryl Streep, it was almost like watching Thatcher. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Make sure you share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues. And in the comments section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use spitting image.